I got this new little plant in the mail to show you guys. As I open the box, as you can see, it is packaged so neatly with a little plant stake, has directions on how to raise the plant.
Leave that over there.
And then I will say they had this packaged very well. They had the little shreds of paper, tissue paper, and then they even had the plant wrapped with bubble wrap and tissue paper to make sure it gets to you in perfect shape. So I'm definitely impressed with the packaging for this little plant. And once there's enough, as you can see, they even have it wrapped up, tied, so the plant's not going to spill everywhere. The humidity is kept inside. Now, as you saw in the beginning, this is a cute little Venus flytrap. I had one a long time ago, and I've been wanting to try out another one. And there you go. There is my new baby Venus flytrap plant. It is so cute. And there's even more specific instructions for it.